Frequency distribution tables. In this video, our learning intention is that you would be able to make a frequency distribution table, find the mean using a frequency distribution table, and find the mode using an FDT, a frequency distribution table. A road check on 30 motor vehicles yielded the following record of the number of occupants each carried. So we have a list of some vehicles had 2 and some had 1, some had 3, etc. We've been asked to make out a frequency table to show the above data. So the frequency table will show the number of occupants and the number of vehicles. We see that there's 6 different options for numbers of occupants. So the number of occupants and the number of vehicles. So how many occupants had one person in it? So we count the number of ones and we see there was 6. How many had 2? So we count up how many had 2. 9 had 2. We see that 4 of the vehicles had 3 occupants. We counted that 4 had 4. 4 had 5, and there was 3 vehicles that had 6. So this is our frequency distribution table. We've been asked to work out the mean. I'm going to create this extra set of boxes around the table to be able to work out the totals here. So how many vehicles were there all together? Well, we were told at the start there was 30, but if I add up 6, 9, 4, 4, 4 and 3, we also get 30. We're going to multiply to get this next column. It's the number of occupants by the number of vehicles, because we're going to work out how many people were there all together between all the vehicles. So by multiplying, we can find how many were in between all the 1s and all the 2s and all the 3s. And when we add all this up, we see that there were 90 people altogether between the 30 vehicles. We're asked to find the mean. The technical formula for the mean is this: the sum of the xf's divided by the sum of the x's. That's a fancy way of just saying it's the total number of people divided by the total number of vehicles. So it's the 90 divided by 30. So we see here in this example, 3 people is the average or mean number of people per car. So that's the first question answered. We're also been asked to find the mode. The mode means the most popular or the most common. So which was the most common number of people that a vehicle carried? And we can see 2 appeared most in our list because 2 happened 9 times. So the mode is 2. So we look at the table here, we can see 2 is the mode because it's the one that happened 9 times. So 2 people was the most common amount of people to be carried. So this is how we find the mean and mode from a frequency distribution table.